trigonometry math solution. There is a LHS root 1 minus cos theta by divided by root 1 plus cos theta. I have to multiplying by 1 minus cos theta, upper level and lower level, numerator, denominator. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. Root 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus root 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta plus beta minus square and square. Then root and square cutting. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, there is 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos sin square theta. 1 minus cos sin square theta. Then sin square theta root sin square sin theta. There is 1 minus sin cos theta. I am just showing 1 minus cos theta is equal to there is 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta cos theta minus cos theta, 1 by sin theta cos theta, cos theta by sin theta cos theta. As proved, I have been discussing about trigonometry math solution. Please subscribe me. All of you progressive and civilization being. I am Vishnu to cancel today. I am just analyzing further. 1 minus cos theta by root 1 square root 1 plus cos theta. I am multiplying 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, upper level and lower level, numerator. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square, root whole square, 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, root 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta. Sin square theta, root sin theta, 1 by sin, the cos by sin theta. Cos by sin theta is equal to cos theta, sin theta, RSS. So, was this realizes all of your progressive and civilization. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me. I have analyzed inorganic chemistry, just electron configuration, octet-rule, duet-rule, and our principle, Hahn rule, Pauli exclusion principle, quantum number, magnitude number, azimuthal quantum number, Einstein quantum number, and Lewis acid, acid-base titration, organic chemistry, aromatic chemistry, derivatives and nomenclature, and physical chemistry, etc.